Welcome again, graphic designers. Today you will learn this amazing photocopy scan effect in Photoshop. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. Let's start. While creating this effect, you may face an issue that you can see the filter gallery is off for this image, which is the main step of this effect. To overcome this issue, go to Image, Mode, and there you will see your image is 16 bits, which is not suitable for filter gallery, so use 8 bits and gallery will be available. Next, add a white background to this image. Press Ctrl+J to copy thrice. Select first layer and go to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. Angle is 0 and distance is 222. Now add a layer mask to this layer. And press B to open brush tool. Use bracket keys to increase or decrease size. Select soft round brush and enhance your subject. Hide this layer and repeat the same step with second layer. But this time we will add a little motion blur around 110. Add a layer mask and open brush tool. Again enhance the subject. With the third layer, open brush tool, and add enhance both sides of the subject. Hold Shift and select all these layers, right-click and select Merge Layers. Now go to Filter and open Filter Gallery. Here you can see I have added 3 different effects. Just add these from the plus option below. You can use settings as mine or set your own. If you liked this tutorial, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting.